Welcome to the Food Daily channel. Are you ready to make a delicious meal? To start, let's slice half a red bell pepper into strips. Now, finely chop the red bell pepper strips. Finely chop mozzarella for even pizza topping distribution. Use a knife or cleaver to finely chop the cheese. I'm using 97% lean pre-cut pepperoni. This is the tastiest pepperoni I've ever bought. Spread 2 teaspoons each of mayo and ketchup on the dough. Sprinkle the finely chopped mozzarella over the sauce. Arrange pepperoni slices on top of the cheese. Add more cheese to fully cover the pepperoni. Place 3 pepperoni slices in the center for decoration. You can also use red bell pepper for additional decoration. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes until the cheese turns golden. Did you have fun cooking with us? Don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Your support and likes are very important to me. Our pepperoni pizza is ready. Bon appetit! Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for watching. If you love this recipe, check out our fan favorite video right here. Share your favorite dish in the comments and get ready for our next mouth-watering recipe. Can't wait to share our next culinary creation with you. It's a surprise you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.